Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Keto Diet Secrets review. So what actually is Keto Diet Secrets? Guys, Keto Diet Secrets basically a keto diet related PLR product, and this product Keto Diet Secrets goes live on 17th of July 2023 9 a.m. EST. Guys, right now I'm in the sales page of this product Keto Diet Secrets. Attention marketers, unlock your earning potential and skyrocket your income to thousands of dollars in no time. Grab this high-in-demand done-for-you product, Keto Diet Secrets with PLR, unlocking endless website visitors, skyrocketed conversions, and effortless income maximization. Rebrand it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. Guys, honestly speaking, I'm going to show you a step-by-step all the information about this product, Keto Diet Secrets. I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you. Guys, this is my honest review, so please don't skip this video before watching till the end. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you the module of this product Keto Diet Secrets, what you will get inside the members area if you purchase this product Keto Diet Secrets. Okay, there's a lots of information you can see, and what are you gaining with this offer about this product Keto Diet Secret. This is the JV phase. JV, that means joint venture phase, the affiliate phase actually. Okay, the front end offer, you will get the module number 1, professionally written training guide, and module number 2, high converting sales copy. Is this product legit or a scam? Is this product worth you? I'm going to show the full details, guys. Okay, module number 3 is customer sales video. Module number 4 is professional graphics. Module number 5 is animated banners. Module number 6 is professional written email swipes. Module number 7, professional mini sites. Module number 8, legal pages. Module number 9, social media graphics. Module number 10, PDF graphics with 3 fast action bonus they will provide actually. And here is the upsell offer, lots of upsells offer of this product, guys. I'm going to show you everything. Module number 1 of the upsells offer, 15th high quality training videos. Module number 2 is upsell mini sites. Module number 3, expert sales video. Module number 4, professionally written follow-up email swipes. Module number 5, product graphics. Module number 6, high converting upsell sales copy. Module number 7, professionally designed PPTs. Module number 8, video raw files. Module number 9, audio files. Module number 10, 15 social media post images. Module number 11, 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module number 12, complete lead magnet system. Inside this you will get the following module. Sub module number 1, this is the sub module, guys. Quiz space index file, quiz space copy, quiz space graphics, quiz space pre-report. Module sub module number 5, quiz space follow-up swipes loaded with full private label rights. That means you can resell it with your own name and own brand. Okay guys, this is the product, and right now I'm going to show the pricing and OTOs. Here is, you can see the front end price is $9.95. Upsell number 1 is $37. Upsell number 2 is $11.95. Upsell number 3 is $37. No one can share this type of secret information, guys. They only share the only one time offer $9.95. But when you purchase $9.95, the front end offer, you can see the members area, this type of upsell. So I never recommend you to purchase this kind of offer, guys. Okay, why I never recommend? I'm going to show the full details, so stay tuned, guys. Upsell number 3, $37. Membership site $1, 30-day trail $27 per month, and product creation service $3,000. Okay guys, downsell number 1, $32.95. Downsell number 2, $32.95. And this is all the upsells and OTOs of this product Keto Diet Secrets. I'm just back in the sales space, and here is, you can see they will also provide 30 days money back guarantee, but I never recommend you purchase this kind of product, guys, because they actually charge lots of money to you. Okay, and creator of this product, file launchers. Okay guys, Keto Diet Secret with PLR, transform your health and unleash your ultimate potential with a brand new product, Keto Diet Secrets. Here is a lots of info they share. Okay, I'm going to show you why I never recommend. Here is the module number 1, premium guide on keto diet, a resource of marketers they will provide. You can create easily this type of ebook cover using ChatGPT and Midjourney and this kind of keto diet list, guys. Okay, so why you buy this kind of product to resell it? This is very headache. This will be headache for you to resell it, guys. Okay, here is the exclusive bonus. They will provide this kind of bonus. Okay, here is the Keto Diet Secrets, and they will provide 30 days money back guarantee. Here is the, you can see the condition. We want you to be said about our product. What is the correct pronounce? I don't know. Our products, if at any time within 30 days of purchasing you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it to us for a refund, no question asked. They actually here say no question asked, but definitely they will ask question you. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is the quick overview of this product, Keto Diet Secrets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually buy this kind of product. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.